A delivery just landed, 300 units across 40 products from one supplier. Meanwhile, a discontinued line is still showing as in stock. Wrong numbers mean you oversell what you don't have or hide what you do. In Shopify's admin, you fix stock one cell at a time. There's a different way. BulkEditly updates stock levels across your whole catalog at once. Set a fixed quantity or raise and lower by an amount. At the location you choose, log a whole delivery or zero out a discontinued vendor in one action. Filter to exactly the right products by vendor, type, collection, or current stock level. Then preview the new levels before they go live. Got a number wrong? Undo any edit from full history. Stock goes straight back. Nothing about your live store breaks. Try the inventory editor yourself. BulkEditly is on the Shopify App Store. Link in the description.